Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You will begin by securing your data and stopping interfering apps. First, back up your settings and any custom themes to Google or local storage so you can recover if needed. Next, disable third-party launchers and theme apps from Settings apps. They often override system themes. Once done, confirm your battery is above 30% and connect to Wi-Fi. Theme packages and updates may download. Now open Settings and navigate to Display or Themes to start the actual rest. You'll now apply the system theme and clear overrides. Go to Settings, then Display or Themes and select the default or system theme. This forces core assets to reload. If the default doesn't fully apply, return to Settings apps, pick the theme or launcher app, and clear cache and data so stale assets are removed. After clearing, apply the default theme again. Finally, reboot your device to ensure the system commits resources and replaces cached icons and styles across the UI. You're in the final stage. Verify that icons, wallpapers, fonts, and accent colors match the stock look. If parts remain themed, reinstall any pending system updates or reset system UI settings where available. This refreshes framework resources. Make sure to re-enable only trusted apps. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party interference. If the theme is normal in safe mode, uninstall recently added launchers or theme engines. One key tip: keep a backup of your pre-change settings for quick restoration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.